Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking compatibility. Make sure the bulb explicitly lists 4 GHz Wi-Fi and matches your fixture. Once done, power off the lamp, screw in the bulb firmly, and power it back on so the bulb enters pairing mode. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network and that you know the network name and password. Now open the manufacturer app or a supported smart home app. Don't wait. Begin the pairing process immediately to capture the bulb's temporary broadcast. You'll grant the app location and local network permissions so it can find the bulb. Next, follow the app prompts. Choose the exact bulb model, confirm 4 GHz network, and type the Wi-Fi password carefully, caps matter. The app will send credentials to the bulb. This can take 20-60 seconds. Make sure your phone stays on the same network and avoid switching apps. When the app shows connected and the bulb flashes or changes color, you've successfully paired and can name the device for easy control. You should now configure room placement, schedules, and preferred scenes. Once done, integrate with Alexa, Google, or HomeKit per app instructions so voice control works. Check for firmware updates and apply them. Firmware fixes connectivity and feature issues. If the bulb isn't discovered, try one key troubleshooting step. Power cycle and factory reset the bulb, usually 3-5 on/off cycles. Make sure your phone is on 4 GHz. Then repeat pairing. If problems persist, reboot your router and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.